What's up, everyone? This is Amelia with Quick Property Solutions, and in today's video I am starting a new project here in Romulus, Michigan. It's in the Metro Detroit area. We closed on it a couple weeks ago. We already are starting the demo, and I wanted to do a walkthrough and show you guys what we're going to be rehabbing and give my thoughts on it and just kind of talk you through the video, guys. I hope you enjoy the video. Here you go. You know, before we start the video, I just wanted to say that if you have any questions for me or want to reach out to me, I do have a Connect account, so I'm going to put the QR code on the screen. I'm also going to put the link in the description below. So book an appointment with me today, and let's talk about some investing. Also, just wanted to let you know that I am still looking for private lenders. So if you follow me, you see that I'm doing some fix and flips in the city, Detroit and the Metro Detroit area. I'm in the Michigan market. I am looking for lenders to fund our projects. Matter of fact, this project was actually funded by a member of the YouTube community, so I really appreciate it. We are paying a nice high interest rate, and it is secured by real estate, so that way your money is secured. You're going to get a nice interest rate, and we'll be working hard to make sure that you're paid. So hope you guys enjoy the video. All right, guys, so here we are. We're at this new project. This is a 3-bedroom 1-bath house, and it's got a 2-car detached garage. We did start the rehab on this project already. We started the demo work. I'm going to flip this camera around. I'm going to show you what it looks like. But we purchased this property. It's probably going to, the value of the property is going to be roughly, the comps that I ran, I would say it's like 185, 190. However, the market is changing. I'm not sure what market you're in, but I've noticed in this market, it's starting to become more of a buyer's market. Days on market a little bit longer. Going to have to start doing some extra things to try and get the property sold, like making sure the price of the house is really competitive, staging the house, and even throwing appliances in there to kind of like sweeten the deal. All right, so here is the driveway. Parts of the goal here is this is an asphalt driveway. I want to get the asphalt redone, or honestly, I'd like to have it concrete. I believe we're going to be doing asphalt. I got to talk to my contractor about it. This privacy fence here separating this and the lot next door, I want to completely redo the fence. I'm going to turn this camera around so I'm not that. All right. So 2-car detached garage. The garage is kind of like leaning to the side a bit. We have to do the tracks on the inside. It actually collapsed inside too. I'll show you inside. This is the back of the house. Got a little concrete pad here. What I want to do with the house, it is a 3-bedroom 1-bath house. It's on a crawl space. Normally I don't like crawl spaces, but we picked this up for a decent price, and I think that well, the comps that I ran, I used all crawl spaces, and crawl spaces in this area I think are relative. They're pretty normal. They know that there's crawl spaces in the area, and the house is still sold, and they sold pretty quickly too. Days on market were less than 30 days. But again, with the way the market's changing, days on market can get a little bit longer, so I'm getting a little bit more aggressive on the pricing. So if the ARV on this is like 195, I'm probably going to list it for like 180 just to try and sell it as quickly as I can. Let's see. Oh yeah, so what I'm doing with the house, I'm going to be converting it to a 3-bedroom 2-bath, because the price difference between a 1-bath and a 2-bath was a lot. I think it was like 25,000. All right, so I'm going to step into the garage real quick. They're going to be doing a clean out of the garage. They already started the clean out. I do have to get a dumpster. I wish this was Detroit. We could just put all the trash on the side of the curb and they could come pick it up. What we're going to do is we're going to go on the inside. The rehab to get this thing fixed up, by the way, it's going to be running about like 60 grand. We're at about, I want to say $50 a square foot. I don't have the exact square footage in front of me. But here you go. This is the interior. So when you walk in, this is the living room area. They already started the demo, so a lot of the demo is like right here in the middle. Basically what I wanted to do here is I wanted to put 4 recessed lights up here, paint The windows are vinyl, so leave the windows alone. Keep those, those are fine. I wanted to do switch outs, replace all the switch, new outlets. This door, get a new door, some drywall patchwork there. Honestly, I think we can keep the baseboards. The baseboards are in good shape. We could get some vinyl flooring and slide it right underneath the baseboard, get some shoe molding and to cover up that gap. And then you have these cool French doors right here. These French doors that open up to, let's say this is like the master bedroom here. So pretty cool. And then you got the closet over here. And what we're gonna do here, honestly, just paint, replace the light fixture right there with a ceiling fan, new outlets. I wanna do carpet in here. Carpet in all the bedrooms, vinyl flooring throughout. Actually, you know what? I should get my light. Let me see if the light's working here. Did the lights work in here? Yeah, it's pretty dark. Actually, let me go to the car and get my light real quick. Okay, this is much better. All right, going down the hallway here, we got the second bedroom here. And what I wanted to do, there was drop ceiling here, so I told them to remove the drop ceiling. And then they have, it's gonna be open now, and we could just put drywall up here. Run a ceiling fan here. Looks like they already got some drywall sheets here. Yeah, just drywall the ceiling. Ceiling fan, there's a built-in closet there. I kind of like the closet, keep it as is. That's the bathtub. I think we're going to try and reuse the bathtub last time I talked to him because it was in decent shape. No reason to buy a new one if we don't have to. We demoed this out. We're going to repaint this, put some shelving here and a closet door here. Bathroom. So the tub was here. It was a tub surround. So what I want to do is tub, shower tile here, new vanity here, toilet there, new light fixture here, repaint the bathroom, maybe put, I don't know, maybe keep that open. I don't know, I'll talk to him about that, but yeah. So completely redo the bathroom. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into the kitchen here. The subfloor here was all cracked up, so he cut out the middle here. We're gonna put some brand new subfloor here, and then we're gonna put cement board down for the tile because we're gonna put ceramic tile in the kitchen. Water heater is still good. The furnace is still good. I actually like these kitchen cabinets. We're gonna keep the kitchen cabinets. The countertop is good. We're gonna keep the countertop. Even over here too, this countertop here, having to replace this would probably be like $1,500, and the cabinets would be like an extra $2,500. But because the cabinets were good, we're gonna keep those. I think here, it's gonna be difficult to match the cabinets because these look like these definitely weren't Home Depot or Lowe's. I don't know if they were custom or whatever, but here we'll just put some, I wanna put some floating shelves here so there could be some more space for dishes and things like that. Go over here and we got the laundry room here. That's the back door. I think they put this stuff here for like heating. I told them that I don't know if we could just like take this down and then just replace it with drywall because it looks like a microwave TV dinner here. I don't know, it's kind of crazy. But this is the laundry room. Then we're gonna go up. One thing I talked to him about was potentially replacing the treading on these stairs because they're kind of, you know, I'm a size 8 and I'm a size 8, 9, and look, my foot is still dangling off. So imagine if someone was taller, they'd be on their tippy toes trying to get up these stairs. So I did talk to him about getting this replaced. Oh, and they already took out the carpet and all that. It's good. So this is the upstairs. This is all one big area. And what I wanted to do was, in this area here, this is where I wanted the bathroom. So the kitchen's right above it. So we just have to we just have to create plumbing for the vanity toilet and the shower. And we're gonna put it all in this corner. I think what we're gonna do is maybe have the wall start here And we could put the shower over there. Toilet van, I don't know. I have to talk to him about it, but I know for sure this is where we want it. He knows this is where it goes. This is where it's going to go. I'll have to talk to him about placement. He knows best of where to put the plumbing. And then if you go down here a little bit further, oh, whoopsie, too hard. Yeah, this would be considered the third bedroom here. Yep. So there you go. Two is. Yep. So right now we are in the pretty much demo and clean out phase, and then after that we're going to start working on mechanicals, especially for the plumbing here. What we were going to try and do is we need plumbing for, again, for like the toilet, bathtub, and all that stuff. I think our best bet was to come through here. So the wall is here, and then I think what we were going to do was put most of it, we're going to put a stack right in here. So I think he was going to cut out this and then use that to make the additional bathroom. So well, there you go. So that is our rehab. Again, this is our first week. We're in the demo phase, and I will be showing you the progress as it comes along, and hopefully we'll have some good news and show you some good progress here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys follow along to see the progress on this house. Again, I think it's going to be a really good flip. The one thing I like about this house, it's kind of like, it's in the city of Romulus, but we are surrounded by like all this land. Look at this. It's like the country out. Let me get in the shadows here so you can see. It's like the country out here. Look at this. No houses around. It's like super private. It's kind of cool. I think that's a selling point, actually. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe, comment, and like the channel. Again, reach out to me if you have any questions. I'm going to have the link for the Connect in the description below. Talk to you soon.